Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna change one of these bulbs which is out. This one is good, so this one needs to be changed. So guys, first of all I need to remove this plastic part. I'm gonna use this one. So guys, this is the part that came out, and here is the bulb. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab this. Okay, this is the bulb guys, just came out. As you can see, this is this bulb's out. So guys, I'm gonna use this one. I'll just simply push it in. I simply pushed it in. So guys, now you can see it's lit. And now I'm gonna use this plastic part to push it in. And it's not gonna come out. Thank you so much guys, and if you guys want to match up this and this, is up to you, but I'm gonna leave it like that.